In the video I sent yesterday, where I talked about an electric fence installation, someone sent me a question in my personal inbox asking me that, does it really make sense to install a lightning arrestor on an electric fence? So this is the response to the question. My brother or whoever sent the message, thunder arrestor, the way it works, it can work on any line. If you look at the installation of the transformer, the basic function of the thunder arrestor in the transformer installation is just to remove the excess voltage, unwanted voltage from the line. And we all know that anytime it rains, there used to be lightning. And when thunder strikes and there is lightning, the lightning comes with the discharge of voltage of several thousands. And when this voltage interfere with the voltage on the line, it can cause problem to the equipment at the consumer's end, that is the customers, the power consumers end. And that is why they used to add lightning arrestor. How does a lightning arrestor work? Lightning arrestor is designed with two terminals. You can see the upper terminal and the lower terminal on the lightning arrestor, just the way you see it on your screen. Those two terminals, they are not electrically continuous. That is, if you place a probe at the upper and the lower terminal of the lightning arrestor, there is not going to be a continuity because there is an energy gap between the upper and the lower terminal. But anytime it rains and there is lightning, don't forget the voltage that accompanying the lightning usually is at higher potential. This voltage potential is high enough that will make such a voltage to jump the gap between the upper and the lower terminal. So the lower terminal of the thunder arrestor is grounded, which means the excess voltage, anytime there is lightning, the voltage that accompanies the lightning is going to jump the energy gap, that is the spark gap between the upper and the lower terminal in the lightning arrestor. And this voltage will flow down through the earth continuity conductor, even just the way you are seeing it on the screen. It flows down to the ground and it is grounded. So in this installation of electric fence, in fact, this is the first electric fence installation that will be carried out even by me, that will come with lightning arrestor. The manufacturer, the design, the producer of the manufacturer of this electric fence equipment and gadgets actually added thunder arrestor. And when you look at this, it, of course, is a welcome idea. Anytime the rain falls and there is lightning, the voltage carried by an electric fence is between 3,000 and 5,000 volts, if not more than that in some cases. So in order to prevent this line, that is the electric fence lines, from carrying current more than the designed value, so this thunder arrestor, you can see the tap it from one of the lines, especially the topmost line, which is carrying the live conductor. So the voltage on this line, anytime there is lightning and there is another voltage through the lightning, such a voltage will pass through the thunder arrestor, the lightning arrestor, and it will jump the energy gap, that is the spark gap between the upper and the lower terminal, and such a voltage will be grounded. It will save the energizer from being affected anytime it rains and there is lightning. So that is just the essence of this lightning arrestor. Hope it is clearly understood now. So hope I've answered the question. You can make your own contribution as well. So that is the essence of the lightning arrestor, and that is the function performed by the lightning arrestor. So it is not something bad to have lightning arrestor installed with the electric fence. The manufacturer of this actually had it to the installation kit. If you have anything, one contribution or the other to this, my explanation, of course, the comment section is open for our contribution. So I'll be waiting for you in the comment section. So I'm going to see you in my next video. I'm Engineer Oxford.